Peter here from MMG Vision, and I want to ask you something that might make you a little uncomfortable. Do you know what ChatGPT, Claude, Perplexity, Gemini say about your business? Because your customers do. Right now, before they ever visit your website or open Google, they're asking AI assistants like Claude and ChatGPT, etc., what's the best tool for this? Or is this company legit? Or X versus Y, which one should I pick? And the AI is answering. The only question is whether it's recommending you or quietly sending your buyers to a competitor you've never heard of. Here's the uncomfortable part. You're completely blind to it. Studies already show that over 40% of consumers use AI assistants for buying decisions. And when AI recommends a business, it converts 3 to 4 times better than a search click. Because recommendation carries built-in trust. AI Visibility Pilot makes that invisible channel visible. As I demo it in a few minutes, watch for 3 things. First, the score. One number, 0 to 100, showing exactly how visible you are across ChatGPT, Perplexity, Gemini, and Claude, all 4 of them tracked together. Second, the diagnosis. It detects hallucinations, false claims that AI makes about your pricing or features, finds citation gaps, costing you mentions. And mentions online are important. And it shows your share of voice against every competitor. And third, the fixes. One click generates ready-to-publish FAQ pages, comparison content, and schema markup that verifies they worked and measures the lift. One SaaS company watched their score climb from 23 to 71 out of 100 in 6 weeks. And trial signups rose by 43%. So as you watch, ask yourself, if my buyers are asking AI about me, shouldn't I know the answer first? Let's open my new AI software and find out.